Did you know that freelancers are more likely to burn out than traditional workers because they often work long hours and blur the lines between work and personal life? My name is Dasma Gilbert. I'm a freelancer and an entrepreneur. I've been doing freelancing for many years now on platforms like Upwork, Code Mentor, and Fiverr, both as freelancer but also as client. There was a time in my freelancing journey where I felt like a superhero, accepting every project because more work meant more money, but not entirely true. More money, of course, but my health crashed. I had zero free time, and suddenly my freelancing wasn't funny anymore. Today, I'm sharing exactly workflow strategy that transformed my freelancing chaos into calm. At the beginning, everything felt amazing. Clients were rolling in, and I thought I was killing it. But soon enough, reality hits hard. My to-do list looked like endless nightmare. Deadline stacked up, sleep disappeared, and food. My health suffered big time. I realized even though the money was flowing, it wasn't worth sacrificing my well-being. I needed a change. So I took deep breath and I decided to optimize my workflow. And guess what? It worked. And today, here is exactly what I did. Number one, Google Calendar became my best friend. Ever felt like there isn't enough time? I used to feel that way all the time. I wish I had more time until I started using Google Calendar seriously and put everything on my calendar. Working tasks, meetings, chat with my friends, and even breaks to rest and recharge. And once everything was mapped out, I discovered so many hidden free hours. Suddenly, no more guessing about what task to tackle next. Trust me, if you feel like you don't have enough time, try to use Google Calendar. It will become your secret productivity hack. Second, I started prioritizing tasks. Raise your hand. Well, technically you are watching a video, so smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you ever jump between multiple projects without finishing any. Here is what happened to me. Instead of multitasking, I started ranking tasks based on urgency and also importance. Every night before going to bed, I asked myself, what is the most important thing that I can do tomorrow to move the project forward? Speaking of multitasking, did you know that there is actual science behind why it is bad? Studies shows that every time we switch tasks, our brain takes a while to refocus, sometimes up to 20 minutes. So next time you think about you are saving time by multitasking, think again. Number three, I started to setting work hours and I stick to that. I made simple rules. Bedtime is 10 p.m. Honestly, this changed everything. Before I was like zombies, falling asleep at events, even during conversation. If I get bored, I started to feel asleep. So after sticking to early bedtime, I woke up refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle the day. If you haven't yet set sticky work hours, try it for 1 week. You will thank me later. Number four, I started to learn how to say no. And that one is a game changer. Early on, saying yes to everything is normal. You are building portfolios. Once you see some success, it is critical to learn the art of no. Not every project is worth your time. Now, if the project doesn't fit comfortably in my schedule, I politely decline or negotiate better timeline. Remember, it's not about hustling forever. It's about long-term success. Think of it like this: you're a freelancer, not a machine. Saying no protects your creativity, your quality of work, and your overall happiness. So, number five, promise less and deliver more. This is so powerful secret: under promise and over deliver. When setting deadlines, we are discussing deadlines with clients. Always add extra time. For example, if the project realistically takes 2 weeks, promise 3 weeks, then deliver early. This builds trust, it impresses your clients, and also gives you breathing room if life happens. because, well, life happens always. And believe me, clients love someone who constantly exceeds the expectation. This is one of techniques to even maintain long-term clients. Promise less, deliver more. Number 6, I started exercising regularly. This might sound cliche. Probably you've heard it 1,000 times. But regular physical exercise changed the game completely. Even just 30 minutes of exercise a day boosted my energy, improved my mood, and made me feel more focused during working hours. Taking care of your body is important as managing your schedule. And there are no excuses for not exercising. You don't have to go to the gym. There are a lot of 30 minutes workout on YouTube for free. So take care of your body. Now, everything I shared today can be applied differently, depends on your freelancing stage. The key is always optimize long-term success, not short-term wins. Remember, protect your health first. That's the only thing you got. If you are not healthy, you cannot do the job. You cannot earn money. So prioritize your health first. Respect your time. Not everything worth your time. Learn to say no. Always give yourself a buffer time and keep your body active with regular exercise. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and comment below how do you fight burnout. Until next time, keep grinding. If you don't quit, success is just a matter of time.